In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Emirates Islamic credit card online. If you want a simple and secure way to make your credit card payment, the easiest option is to use Emirates Islamic mobile banking or online banking through the bank's official website or app. This method is convenient because you can complete the payment from anywhere and digital payments are typically processed within 24 hours. To begin, go to the official Emirates Islamic website. From there, you can access the online banking portal, or if you prefer, open the Emirates Islamic mobile app on your phone. Make sure you are using the official platform so your payment is handled securely. Once you're on the login page, sign into your account using your usual banking credentials. After you log in, take a moment to look through the main dashboard. You're looking for the payments or transfer section, since that is where credit card payments are usually managed. When you find that area, select the option to make a credit card payment. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on whether you are using the app or the website, but it will generally be under payments, transfers, or card services. This step is where you tell the system that you want to pay a credit card rather than send money somewhere else. Next, choose the credit card you want to pay. If your card is already saved in your account, simply select it from the list. If it is not already added, you may need to enter the credit card number as a new beneficiary before continuing. Be sure to double check the card details carefully so the payment goes to the correct account. After that, enter the amount you want to pay. This could be the full outstanding balance, the minimum payment due, or any other amount you want to submit. Once the amount is entered, review everything on the screen, including the selected card and payment amount, and then confirm the transaction using your PIN or the required security verification. If you'd like to make this even easier in the future, you can also set up the auto payment facility. This option is usually available in your profile or account dashboard. By turning on auto payment, you can schedule automatic monthly deductions from your linked account, which helps you avoid missing a due date. That's it. By using Emirates Islamic's online or mobile banking services, you can pay your credit card quickly, securely, and without needing to visit a branch.